Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to repeat a song on the Suno mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Suno app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap on the three straight line icon at the bottom. This is where you view all the songs you have created or saved. Find the song you want to repeat and tap on it. Tap the play button to start listening. Once the song is playing, you will see the player screen with pause, play, and skip option. Look for the repeat icon. It usually looks like two arrows making a loop. Tap it once to turn on repeat all. Tap it again to turn on repeat one. Now your song will automatically play again when it is perfect for when you are stuck on a great track and want to keep the vibe going. Just tap the repeat button again until it's turned off. No loop, no repeat. The song will play once and stop. And that's how you repeat a song on the Suno app using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.